How to use Lyft Cash. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Lyft Cash to make a payment on Lyft ride. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here because it is unavailable in my region, but I'll just be guiding you through. You can simply open up Lyft and you can schedule a ride, right? So once you schedule a ride now, what you want to do is add the payment fees. So you'll get the payment fees there. At the payment fees, under payment, you want to simply select the option that says Lyft Cash, and then you'll be able to use that option. So you want to select Lyft and you can see add payment, you can tap on it and you can see add Lyft Cash option. You want to tap on it and you can choose amount and then simply go ahead and tap on checkout. So if you want to do it in store, you can see in store option as well. How you can do it, you can find a store, you can share your code, add at least $30 in store to use Lyft Cash. So this is the way that you can use Lyft Cash. You'll have to head over to the payment page. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.